morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Double Bear Show. And yeah, as you can hear my voice, I'm still a little bit sick. I don't know if it's a little bit, but yeah, there's still pain on my sinusitis. I post that. So yeah, so that's why my voice right now, I think it's a little bit deeper. But so much for that. Let's continue because I really want to have this and to share to you. And let's unbox, and I already put the stadium because after this I really want to have a spin test and also test battle. That's what we really want. Okay, so let's have, and I will come you the this is your Beyblade X CX07 Pegasus Blast. Wow, yeah, it's really new for me. Okay, this is as they said, this is the predecessor of the first ever, the Aero Pegasus, which you can only get that on the game of Beyblade X, which is only available, I think, more on Japan, Hong Kong, and other places, which it's not available here in the Philippines. Okay, but yeah, if you have something, tricks that you know, you can also play with that. Okay, so yeah, so much for that. Let's have our Beyblade X 607 Pegasus Blast ATR. Please tell me what an ATR, because when I'm doing this, it's just a split of a second of decision that I will have a video of this. So yeah, I didn't have a research for the meaning of ATR, but as I know, this is very new because the beat and the ratchet is already connected to each other, which it has a gimmick which is really like of Jenga's Pegasus on the Metal Fusion or Metal Fight. Which, talking about Jenga and Metal Fight, we have here also this one, which will the Rock Leon 680GN, because which we will have another video for that. Yeah, so much for that. Okay, so let's go here. And yeah, this is the person who owns the Pegasus Blast, and very new to me because yeah, you know, this is a CX, so you can assemble or disassemble the attack ring, very old. But you can disassemble the blade, which it consists of the different parts. This is your gear chip, your primary blade, and then your ancillary blade or the auxiliary blade. I don't know what will be the which is, it's called A. I think it's called Aero. Then TR, track. I don't know what's a TR right here. Yeah, it's TR. That's why it's called Pegasus Blast ATR. Okay, so there's no number. Yeah, there's no numbers. It's a very, really new and unique on the Beyblade X. I think it's the only one that has this kind of Beyblade. Yeah. Okay, so I don't have the Banky stickers because I bought this outside or in the overseas. I've ordered it in Shopee in overseas. So let's go. Let's unbox this and let's see what's inside on the box. Okay. So yeah, let's go. Let's unbox. Okay, so we unbox it, and yeah, we have it here, and I have here the code for this one is inside. Yeah, I will not open that. Okay, so the box, we already know that already. And yeah, we have here your Beyblade, and it has a launcher. Yeah, it's a set, man. It's a set. So we have a launcher and also the Beyblade. They already have this. What's this, man? Okay, so it's okay. It's used for the chip. Yeah, but on the first part, they don't have this. On the Dran Brave, the Wizard Orb, is that right? Am I right? And also to this other one, yeah. Okay, so the CX now is nice. Okay, so let's have first the Reaper. Okay, so this is the Reaper, and it's the same, which it doesn't have a nice holder. Yeah, I cannot hold it so much. And then it's launcher, and the launcher is nice, man. Very nice. It's a really nice color. Whoa! I have now a new launcher. Let's see. Wow! I can still hold it nice, but wow! Original is really nice, man. So that's our launcher and the Reaper. So let's go now to the blade or the Beyblade itself. Okay, but yeah, I'm opening first the this one. Ooh, original. Oh, it has a CX part right there, and yeah. Whoa, wow, man. So this is the part. Ooh, very nice, man. So it will go out. How? Okay, yeah. Let's see that on the test spin. Okay, so yeah, this is the blade, and the blade is very nice, man. That's a very nice blade. Wow, see that blade? Pegasus Blast. And how we can use this? How? I don't know. How can we use it? Hey, how? I don't know, man. Yeah, maybe I can use it like that. But yeah, okay. So let's try to disassemble it. So this is the A, or the, I think it's called arrow. Yeah, the arrow part, or the air maybe. Yeah, it's called arrow peg. Is it the blast or A? It's A. Yeah, I don't know what's an A. Yeah. So and then the blade right there, and this white, I think it's already. Oh, it's stuck in with the screws right there. Yeah, the white part. So you cannot get that, but it's really nice. Really nice kind of color. And this one are not, I don't know if it's still a sticker, but yeah, they put it already, so it's nice, man. You don't need to do it yourself. Okay, so hey, what's the point? Maybe like this. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, right there. Okay, so you need to twist it. Okay, so that it will be. Oh, I think I will assemble it first, okay? I'll be back because I think it's not the right one, okay? Okay, I get it now. Yeah, and now let's go. Let's put this one right there. Am I right in this? Am I right in this part? Ooh. It just really clicks. Yeah. I'm surprised, man. Wow. That's it. That's our Pegasus Blast. It's so big, man. It's so big. Yeah, very big. It's big. Huge. Yeah. So let's try to have a spin test. Am I right in doing it? Yeah, it's big. It's tall and something huge. Yeah, it's, if you compare to the yeah, the height difference is very tall, man. Oh, very tall. Okay, so now let's have, yeah, I blow those something not good on the those particles on the stadium, because it will also matter on the test battle later. Okay, so yeah, it's clean now. Now let's have a spin test. Let's see what will be the movement or the ability and some techniques of this Beyblade. Let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I think it released already its point. Yeah, because as you can see there, it releases the point when it's strong, but after that it the point will be retracted, and it will, I think it will give the blast. Woo! Okay, so that's it. It gives the blast already. So it will have those flat side, and yeah, that's it. Stamina wise, I don't know if it can really, you can rely the stamina, but let's see. Let's use this one because I really like this old kind of launcher, and using this one right here because I can really pull it, even it's a little bit short, but I can really pull hard on this one. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Yeah, the difference. You can really hold right on your Reaper and your launcher. Okay, so I think if we can see it at the under part, which I'm seeing, oh, it really release it. You can really see the point going out, and when it slows down, it will retract its point, maybe right there. And after that, let me see. Oh, that's it. I see it. Okay. It's just really wiggling at the center. Yeah. Is it visible in the camera? Yeah, it is. But I cannot let you see I don't have another camera to let you see the retraction of the point at the center, and maybe it will stop standing. Yeah, it stands. Okay, now let's have a little bit of battle. Yeah, that's what we really want, and I want to have a battle. Okay, and we're back, and we'll have now the the test battle rather. So, Aero Pegasus, and yeah, I will try to fight this with the Hell's Hammer. Ooh, Hell's Hammer. So I will use this first, and after that, I think I will have a string, just maybe, but yeah, they will have 3 games or 3 rounds in every play, whatever the finishing is, it doesn't matter, it will be 1 point only. Okay, so yeah, it's just a test battle. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see some battle, man. Let me see. Ooh, very tall. Ooh, it hits hard, but the stamina, I don't know. Yeah. Oh, it's out. Oh, the paint. But yeah, it more touches on the auxiliary and on its ratchet, because it's very low. Our Hell's Hammer is very low. So let's try to have the Hell's Hammer first, and then the Pegasus Blast on the second. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see. Oh. Oh! It bursted itself, man. Hey! Descendant of one of the strongest Beyblade. What happened? Yeah. What happened? Did I set up you in the wrong part? Or it's just that you're weak? Yeah. I don't know, because as you can see, Hell's Hammer still moving right there. So again, our Pegasus Blast on the second part, and our Hell's Hammer first. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, Pegasus Blast, win, just one win, man. You are the star of this vlog, so please win. Ooh, that is strong, but yeah, the stamina, man. That stamina, very low. That will be the 3rd round, and yeah, Hell's Hammer gets all the points for that, for spin finish. No, the other one is a burst. Yeah, so Hell's Hammer wins. Next, let's have a fight with a Pegasus versus a unicorn. Let's see. They're both horses, so let's try. Ready? So I will put the Pegasus Blast first, and then our unicorn. Sting. Yeah, that's the name of the Beyblade. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! What the? I'm excited for this Beyblade, but it always lost. Oh, see that unicorn sting? It gives you something. They both have something. This one is, it has a defense and an offense type, which changes its mode at the end part also. But also this one, Pegasus Blast, has that ability also. But the stamina, man, Unicorn Sting has more stamina than the Pegasus Blast. I can see it. But yeah, let's try again. Ready? Ready. Second round. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh. It bursted. What the? Hey, are you just for show and not for battle? What? I don't understand, man. But yeah, let's another round, and the last round. Whew, let me have this one. Please, Pegasus Blast, let me have this one. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I think Pegasus, yeah, I don't know. Stamina wise, still our Pegasus Blast lost. with the other horse, the Unicorn Sting. Yeah. Okay, third. Oh man, what happened to you, Pegasus Blast? I forgot the name. Yeah, Dark. What's that? I forgot. Yeah, I really forgot the name. Yeah, I forgot. But yeah, this one, which has the bit of wedge, and it is 1, 2, 3, 6. Yeah, 680. Is it? Am I right? Yeah, it's 680. Okay, and it's also a CX. So CX versus CX, and this is a little bit of defense. Yeah, and then Pegasus Blast. Oh, it's, yeah, the paint. Bye bye for the paint. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Oh. Okay, it wins with a burst, but without contact. I don't know. Yeah, it wins without contact. But the stamina of the Pegasus Blast is not really nice. Yeah, the wedge beat keeps on keeping out, keep on busting out. Ah, okay. Yeah, let's see another one. Second round. I don't know if it's a win for Pegasus Blast because it just burst itself because the beat is really jiggly. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Oh! Strong, out of control, and it's out. Yeah. So let's have another one, and I think this will be the last one. Okay. Ready? Woohoo! Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Oh, stamina, man. Really? Ah. I'm so disappointed with this Beyblade. I know it has a lot of, let's say, opportunities to make it stronger with other parts. But this gimmick, I don't know if it's good. You can't really see it. You can't really see it. I don't know. But yeah. Again, stamina-wise, it's not good. Yeah. Another, let me see. Let me use this one. And with the Hellhammer. And then we'll have the, let's have a little bit of handicap. Okay? See that hammer? It's very strong. Let's see. Okay, no contact yet. Ooh. There's a handicap, okay? There's a handicap. There's a handicap, man. Oh, it wins. It wins. It really wins. So let's have another one. So I think it's strong win. It's individual. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. So let me try having it individually. Launch. And let's decrease the handicap. Okay, so I will have first the Hellhammer. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. This one. Shoot. Whoa! I think I still want to go on. Still want to go on. I really want to justify this one. Okay? Again, another one. Another one, another one. Yeah, so Hellhammer again. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Shoot. Yeah, maybe it's strong. It's really individual launching. You can see that it's strong. Another handicap. Yeah, another one. So let's have the Pegasus Blast first now. And then the second for the Hellhammer. Ooh. I really want to justify this, the ability of this Pegasus Blast, man. But yeah, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Shoot. Ooh, it's out. Yeah. Okay, so much for that because the video's very long right now. Okay, so yeah, I will have another video for this so that just to justify the ability of this one, because when I launch it with this double launcher, I think it's the balance or something that I think you really need a lot of concentration to make this work. Yeah, you really need a lot of concentration for this one. So because when I'm using this one, this launcher together with this long Reaper, it's nice, but still there's a handicap on that launch, but still it's okay, it's nice, man. Okay, so can we have oops, it's okay. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed to our next videos. Okay, so I will have another video for this Pegasus Blast just to justify its ability. Okay, so I think we will have some handicap games which will have a late launch for other blades. Okay, so that's it, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you will also watch some of my videos and my upcoming videos. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gumbler Show signing off. Pegasus Blast, please be justified.